All right, got another box here from Steel City Collectibles. They do not disappoint. I mean, neither does Dave and Adams, but last one was a excellent box. That knife is fine. So, you know how we do it. Start from the right side. We don't shuffle. However, we do know that there's a metal card in here. So we're gonna save that for last, and I think it's this pack right there. So yeah. So we'll put that there. So we got 7 on that side, 5 on this side. So we know there's gonna be metal. And so far we've pulled nothing but aluminum. So let's see, but I'm hoping that there's something, a non-metal card insert that's just as excellent, if not more excellent. What am I, Bill and Ted? Here we go. And it'll be interesting to see if you get a pink. You've been on a pink roll. Oh, man. And of course, we're always green, precious metal gem hunting. Wolverine. Call the next card.
Oh, Cable.
Is it? Is it Cable?
It's gonna be Cable. What a surprise!
And it feels, this one feels so firm and just sturdy, like really nice quality card. No, you don't get that much. The Dazzler. So that's good. So far, technically nothing.
Yeah.
Even though the first pack was the metal card.
Metal,
Yeah. Okay. See, I can't. Sometimes you think a card is nicked or damaged, and it's just the art. Gotta go back and look. Precious metal gem. I saw the name and I was like, oh man. I was trying to figure out who it was when I thought it was gonna be it's got a nick on it.
Alright.
Well, you know, that's, yeah, right there. Well, the only ones that have been damaged have been Kid Cypher and now Kid Omega. So that's the first hit. Palladium. I'm sorry, I always want to say purple, and it comes out Palladium. Grandiose. Here we go. Huh. Well, that'll go nice with the Daken collection that like the mystique we got going. Green precious metal gem of that card there. Okay, so 2 hits so far. Not so great characters. So let's get those out of the way so that the metal card, somebody everybody likes. Hey, look, there's an eye boyfriend.
Why can't you be rogue that often?
Oh, okay, I see what you mean. Yeah. Palladium.
What do you think it is?
I say it's somebody that's on the box.
Beast. Oh.
We don't have him, huh? As a
No,
Palladium?
Palladium. No, I don't think so.
We better check it out first. Make sure your elixir's okay. I was just thinking about this because I'm pretty sure it's on. Yep.
He's the one on the box.
Yeah, that's why I said.
Right.
That's why I said it's somebody on the box because I just looked at it. Another like precious metal gem. I keep talking about boxes that have red and green precious metal gems. Everyone's gonna think I'm lying, and I don't know how to go. What video it was? It wasn't us, obviously, but I saw it. Alright, didn't be anything. Gold. Hope Summers. And multiple mana. And we know the last pack has a metal card, which we're hoping is something better than aluminum. Unless it's a cool aluminum. This is going to be the second purple. High series, low series. What's it going to be?
I think it's gonna be high.
I say high too. It is a high.
Mm-hmm.
And it's Magik. But at least it's high. And a Jubilee that we haven't got a lot. Other people get a lot. There's gonna be something. It's gonna make up for a damaged Kid Omega. There's the regular Magik. We have that Sabertooth? That seems... Oh, it's another Pokemon Celebrations pack. Man. Come on, man. Huh. Deadpool. So that's cool. Jedi. A regular blob. And the gold would not be in the metal pack, so these two should be gold. Gold or better. Blast furnace. Yeah, it looked weird to me too. I was like, what is that? No way. We already got there. We've pulled this one before. We just pulled that one. That the gold wouldn't be in the metal pack.
Yeah.
In the metal card pack. Okay, gold, Omega red. No? Yeah? I think so. I think we already have a gold Omega red. Oh, yeah. Okay, here's what we've been waiting for. We've been waiting, we put it off. We put this box off for a while after we weighed it. So far, we've pulled another Pokemon Celebration. So far, we've pulled aluminum. So we got 3 cards. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be and who's it gonna be? Just be somebody everybody likes. You ready? You ready? Aluminum Warlock. Bum 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 bum. Wow. So yeah, this is a kind of, this is great. This is good to get. Little disappointing. I mean, you can't say it's disappointing this was damaged. It makes it easier that it was a character you don't really care about. But man, we just keep pulling aluminum. So yeah, best, like I would say the best card in here is the Palladium, just like the box before, I guess, huh? So wow, but there you go. So we got another metal card, but yeah, so unfortunately damaged, but hey, you know, can't bat 1,000, but you know, I'm glad for this. I'm grateful for everything we have. So, all right.